So guys, for the first method, you could be getting this problem because your USB or your ISO is corrupted. Double check that your ISO is not corrupted and double check that your USB is working properly. You can unplug your USB and then plug it back in again. See if that lets you install Windows. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard at the same time. Click on Shift and F10 and now this will come up, the command prompt. And now once we're here, you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. And now you want to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. And now you want to type in select space disk space and now the disk number of your Windows drive. For me, I've only got one drive, which is disk 0, so I'm going to type in select disk 0. You're going to know which disk is which by the size. You may have more disk numbers. You're going to know which disk is your Windows drive by the size of your disk. So for me, I'm going to type in select disk 0. You want to type in select disk and then your Windows drive number and then click on enter. And now you want to type in clean and then click on enter again. And for the last one, you want to type in convert space MBR. Click on enter again. And we can now resolve this. It should now let you install Windows and then the problem should be fixed.